How to lock applications in your mobile device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to Settings application. Once you do, scroll down to go to Privacy. Click on it. Now scroll down until you see the option of App Lock. Verify your identification, that is the password. Now once you are done, you will be able to see the application list. Now due to privacy and security reason, here you won't be able to see the password section. Firstly apply the app lock, and now here from the list of all the installed and system application, you can simply toggle on the feature of locked app feature, and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.